At the end of this session, you will be able to describe change of phases of matter, explain different phases of matter and transition between them, describe latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization. Change of phases of matter. Nearly every substance exists as a solid, liquid, or gaseous state. An ice cube turns into water when left out of the freezer. A vessel of water will turn into ice if it left in the freezer. And water boils out of a pot if it is heated for too long. Thus, when water is frozen, it solidifies to ice, and when heated for too long, it evaporates into steam. Ice, water, and steam are three phases of matter of the same substance, water. Explaining process involved in change of phases. Continuous supply of heat to a mass of ice converts it to liquid and then to steam. Mass of ice absorbs heat energy and melts into water. This change of state from solid ice to liquid water is termed as fusion. Water absorbs heat when heated for few minutes and vaporizes eventually. This change of state from water to steam is called vaporization. Vaporization of a matter is a process of phase transition from liquid to gaseous state. Furthermore, steam releases its heat and converts into water droplets when collected in a vessel. The process of transiting phase from steam into water is termed as condensation. Condensation is the change of physical state of matter from its gaseous phase into liquid phase. Temperature of the system remains constant during phase change. During phase change, temperature remains constant even though heat is absorbed or released by the substance. Let's illustrate this. When ice melts to water and changes to steam by heating. Place a thermometer in the vessel containing ice and gradually heat the vessel over a low flame. Temperature of the ice vessel remains constant at 0 degrees Celsius till all ice has melted. In spite of supplying heat to ice, its temperature remains constant. This fixed temperature at which a solid ice cube melts to liquid water is called melting point. The fixed temperature starts rising after the ice in the vessel is melted to water. Rise of temperature level stops again at 100 degrees Celsius when water starts boiling. As water boils and vapors, the temperature level remains fixed at 100 degrees Celsius. This fixed temperature at which liquid boils and changes into steam is called boiling point. Explaining what latent heat is. Heat is continuously supplied to ice, but its temperature remains constant at 0 degrees Celsius till ice melts to water. Similarly, temperature of water remains fixed at its 100 degrees Celsius during its change of state of vapor in spite of continuous supply of heat to it. This hidden heat supplied to water, which does not affect its temperature level at 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius respectively. During its phase transition, it's termed its latent heat. Latent heat is denoted by L. SI unit of latent heat is joules per kilogram. What happens to latent heat if it does not rise the temperature? In ice cubes, molecules are tightly bounded by strong forces and vibrate in their confined positions. The vibrations increases on heating and the molecules collide with each other and the space between the molecules increases. Consequently, ice melts to water by the continuous supply of latent heat by keeping its temperature constant at 0 degrees Celsius. The quantity of heat required to convert 1 kilogram of ice to water without changing its temperature is called latent heat of fusion of ice. Likewise, temperature of water remains constant at 100 degrees Celsius. When it boils and eventually vaporizes, irrespective of continuous supply of heat, as water can only reach a high point of 100 degrees Celsius. This latent heat supplied to water sets its molecules free by breaking their intermolecular bonds without affecting their vibrating speed. Consequently, water boils and converts into steam as its boiling point. The amount of heat required to change 1 kilogram of liquid water to vapor state at constant temperature is called its latent heat of vaporization. Importance of latent heat in real life. Food cooks faster in a closed pan compared to open pan. This is because lid of the pan does not allow its produced steam to escape. As latent heat of steam is higher than latent heat of equal amount of boiled water, steam gives out more heat to cook food inside the closed pan.